there is nothing in the original text that differentiates between these two terms. The Greek Septuagint does not differentiate between those two terms. The very same Greek language that translates Adoni translates Adonai in Psalm 35:23 and Psalm 16:2. And so both of those texts indicate there is no differentiation whatsoever. Therefore, when this comes into the New Testament from the Greek Septuagint, there is none of the distinction.
But are those verses really exceptions to Psalm 110:1? So here we have Psalm 15 and Psalm 34. As you can see there, my Lord is translated as Kyrios mu, which looks like the same Greek phrase used in Psalm 110, but guess what? It's not. So there you have again Psalm 110, Lord all caps, the divine name translated as Kyrios in Greek, and the phrase is not the same as those two so-called examples, as James White claims. The one in Psalms 110, to Kyrio mu, is not Kyrio mu. But even if it were the same Greek phrase, we know that exceptions are not the rule. Yahweh, Kyrios, is contrasted with this one word of Adoni, translated usually as Kyrios mu, every other time in the Septuagint, Greek translation of the Hebrew. So you have those examples in Genesis, Numbers, Book of Joshua, Judges, both books in Samuel, both books of Kings, and First Chronicles. In all these examples, you'll find that in the Greek translation of the Hebrew, Kyrios is clearly contrasted with Kyrios mu. But the bottom line is that James White produces two false parallels that are not applicable to Psalm 110:1. Again, the Greek to Kyrio mu is not found in those psalms he mentions, and even if they were, unique rare exceptions should not be the rule. This is something recognized by many evangelicals. Even the noted Theological Dictionary of the Old Testament says, for the LXX translators often render Adonai not by Kyrios mu, my Lord, but simply by Kyrios, Lord.